Hello everyone! Today's an exciting day for me because I'm going to start taking an oil painting class, so I thought I'd share how that goes. It's a morning class, so I had to get prepared somewhat early, check my schedule for the class, do a little bit of stretching, and then get my supplies together. For my supplies, I've got some odorless terpenoid. I think we're using that to clean the brushes. A liquid medium, which gets combined with the oil paint. Some paper towels. I also have cut up t-shirts that I'm going to use as a rag. This briefcase box is my case. I got it from the Resource Exchange for $40. It did not come with the paint, but it did come with this acrylic palette. The palette's for laying out all of the paint and then mixing the paints with the medium. I got the Winsor Newton Winton oil color paints. That was what was recommended on our class supply list, and they recommended all these colors. I also got a palette knife. That's what we'll use to mix the oil paints. All of the brushes I have are Lewis's brushes that he lent to me to use. My partner is also an artist and does a lot of oil painting and acrylic painting and watercolors, so I didn't have to buy brushes, which saved me some money. And I just grabbed a variety of different sizes because I don't really know what my preference is just yet. The art box came with these little mixing containers, I'm guessing for the terpenoid and the medium, but I'm probably just going to use a jar so that I can have a lid for it. We're going to be working on panels, and the teacher requested that we prep them with gray gesso so that we start somewhere medium as far as the color range goes. Hello. I just got back from my first day of oil painting class. I decided to take an oil painting class this fall because I've never tried it, and I generally love taking, I guess, like creative classes in subjects that I don't feel super confident in. And I've always wanted to learn oil paints because it's very classic. That was exciting. I was kind of nervous for the class, and it turned out to be pretty chill. Our first day was just the professor chatting, and then he did a demo. I'm pretty tired today. I stayed up late last night, and I never do that, and I definitely feel it today, so hopefully I won't crash too badly. Figured I'd vlog today, obviously. I'm vlogging. I thought that there'd be more interesting subject matter to my painting class, but I'll definitely document more of it as I keep attending these painting classes. I'm excited to see what will happen. I think it's kind of inspired by Impressionist paintings, or it's called alla prima still life painting. The intention is to capture an impression of the still life, kind of like Impressionist painters, and to complete a painting type sketch, to complete a fast painting in the 3 hours of the class. That seems like it's good for me because I'm a bit of an impatient painter. I work pretty fast when I do try to paint or draw. Now that I'm home, I think I'm gonna have some lunch. I have to walk my friend's dog, Loretta, so I'm gonna do that. Hopefully get some work done, maybe get some sewing stuff done. I think I'm just gonna let the day go where it does. I'm gonna make a smoothie bowl, I think. It's still smoothie season. It's turning into soup season, but it's pretty hot outside. Until it gets colder, I'm just gonna keep making smoothies. trying to figure out what I should do. I took an Excedrin because I had a bit of a headache, and I'm starting to feel a little bit better. And in my planner, I did write down that I should go to the post office today. And then maybe while I'm over there, I thought I might stop at Target to get some Epsom salts. Can't think of anything else that we need. After that, maybe I'll see if I'm in the mood for some sewing. Sold my cow hoop to say goodbye. And I also sold this jacket with embroidery on the back of it. So I just need to roll this and fold it up and then send it out. If you want to check out my shop, it's on Etsy. It's Tessa Perlo Inc. at etsy.com, or it's etsy.com/shop/Tessa Perlo Inc. And I'll put the link in the description of the video. I have a lot of hoops, some clothing, although I am transitioning to more autumnal and winter clothes, so I might deactivate some of my more summery listings soon. But until then, you can check them out over there. Always super grateful to make a sale because that's basically how I support myself. I did manage to get a little bit of sewing done this afternoon. I'm making this skirt, but I'm changing the pattern a bit, like a pattern hack. I cut out the pieces ages ago, so they're kind of just like lumped in one of my baskets. I'm trying to just go through my stuff little by little, complete projects, neaten it up. But my plan is to use this pattern as a jumping off point to make a little bubble hem skirt. And I organized my pieces, did a little bit of sewing, and then the cat started getting too crazy.